Sangoman, what you smoking?
I'm not smoking. I'm breathing.
All right, fellas, this is us. Let's go.
Let's go. I'll be first.
What's the matter? You guys cold? It's not so much the heat, it's the humidity that'll kill you.